Hi everyone, my name is Lance Heinrich and welcome to Project Try 5 channel on YouTube. So on this channel we're going to predominantly work on Try 5 Chevys, whether it's mine, my dad's, my brother's, or somebody else's that needs some work on it. So for episode 1 we're going to start out with working on my 57 Chevy Frame that I just picked up. I got the frame and the body. They were not mated together when I got them, but the frame needs some cleanup and we'll go from there. Get the camera flipped around. So as you can see, I got the frame positioned to aid in cleaning. I've got it supported in the back, holding up on a old chair, swing chair support. It's actually pretty strong. Doing just fine holding the frame up. So to start with, we're going to pressure wash the frame. Get all the crap off of it, or at least as much of this crap off as we can. To start with, before I tear it apart, start tearing everything off of it, I found that a lot of times cleaning it off first makes your job more enjoyable, easier, less to deal with. Challenges with this are going to be, as you can see inside of this frame, pretty darn full of crap. Not the worst frame that I've seen, but definitely not the best. The struggles with this stuff is a lot of times over the years, as the dust and the dirt gets in there, it becomes like concrete. So you see, it does come out with some work, but not going to be the easiest thing to work with. So that's going to be planned for episode 1, and we'll get working on that. All right. Pressure washing, or first step of pressure washing, is complete. Look at all this crap came out of the frame. Rocks, dirt, dust, mice nest, you name it, it's in there, or was in there. 60 plus years, almost 70 years of accumulation. I got most of the dirt and the dust and everything, the grease, all of that off. Most of it anyways. Going around so far, I don't see anything on this frame that concerns me. You know, it's pretty darn solid, thankfully. Alright, so I've got the frame pretty well cleaned up, pressure washed off, all the dirt, gunk and everything out of the inside. Now it's time to start taking off extra stuff that we're not going to use. So to start with, we're going to take the bell mounts off, both sides. Take the shift linkage and pivots off. Cut those off, and then we'll move on. Alright, frame is cleaned, unwanted brackets are off now, welds are ground smooth. Took off the shift linkage brackets, transmission bell mounts, so I'm going to go side motor mounts with this, and muffler / exhaust hanger bracket, because this will get all custom exhaust. So I doubt that would work for me, and I'll use different brackets anyways. So thanks for joining me, guys. Look forward to the next episode where we're going to start painting.